review these in part 3.
Okay, say bye.
Okay, so this part 2. Okay,
Delete that. Stop
please.
that. But tell them to please subscribe.
Part 2, yay! Of the mystery Shopkins in the Dollhouse from
Candace Ground.
Candace Ground's channel. And we had the surprise
Which
bag.
is really kindling.
Which is really candy. We had a surprise bag.
Delete that!
No, just keep going.
No.
Okay.
She ate too many frozen chicken nuggets.
Okay, let's do that.
I'm sorry. Sorry, that was technical difficulties. I'm sorry, this little lady burped.
What is this?
New radio. Right, now tell them if you know the name, please comment.
If you know the name of this, go.
Delete that.
Say it in the comments.
But delete that, please. Blooper. Technical difficulties. We're laughing here. Technical difficulties. Blooper. Technical difficulties and Peppa Pig.